how to turn off TalkBack on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off TalkBack, which is an accessibility feature where your phone reads what's on your screen and it also highlights items on your screen with a blue box. It also makes it really hard to navigate your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way to turn off TalkBack is going to be to use the shortcut. So if on your Samsung phone, you see this little person icon down here in the bottom right, all we need to do is select that, then double tap that, and now you have disabled TalkBack. So if the blue box has disappeared after that, you've disabled TalkBack. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. So now to turn off TalkBack, if you don't have the shortcut, what we need to do is first open up the settings, and with TalkBack on, we can swipe using 2 fingers rather than 1. So if you swipe up from the bottom, then all we need to do is select the settings. Once it has a blue box around it, double select it. That'll open up the settings. And then what I recommend doing is selecting the little search icon right here, double tapping it, and then just slowly type on your keyboard, 1 key at a time, TalkBack. It'll slowly type it. Once you see TalkBack come up in the accessibility, you can select it, then double tap it. It'll open up the accessibility right here. And all we need to do is select TalkBack, double tap it, and then select on at the top, select that little slider right there, and then double tap it. And then confirm you want to turn off TalkBack at the bottom. So now we've turned it off. We can get rid of the shortcut if the shortcut's there by simply toggling off TalkBack shortcut. So that's how you turn off TalkBack on your Samsung phone. Keep in mind, if you're on your lock screen and you can't get your phone unlocked, simply swipe up using the 2 fingers when TalkBack's on, and that'll allow you to unlock it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.